This man remembers everything. Not just some things, but literally everything. And scientists are still trying to figure out how. His name is Solomon Shereshevsky, and he was a patient at a psychiatric hospital in Moscow. He had been sent there after his wife and kids left him because he couldn't stop talking. He was a man with a photographic memory. He could remember every single thing that he had ever seen. But it gets even weirder. You see, Solomon didn't just have a photographic memory. He also had something called hyperthymesia. That's basically the ability to remember every single event in perfect detail. So for example, if you asked him what he was doing 10 years ago today, he could tell you exactly where he was, what he was wearing, what he was doing, what he had just eaten, who he had just spoken to, and so on. He could remember everything. And when scientists did MRI scans on his brain, they found that his hippocampus was much bigger than average. The hippocampus is the part of the brain responsible for memory. So it seems that Solomon's super memory was caused by his supersized hippocampus. But that's not all, because another scientist found out that Solomon's brain works differently from other people. While most people forget things over time, Solomon remembers everything just as vividly as he did the first time. For example, if you showed him a picture of some flowers and asked, and if you showed him the same picture 10 years later, he would be able to describe them in the same level of detail. Basically, Solomon's memory was so good that it made his life pretty difficult. He couldn't hold a job because he couldn't stop talking about all the things he remembered. And he couldn't go anywhere in public without having a panic attack because there was just too much sensory input. So he spent most of his life in a psychiatric hospital. Sadly, he died in 2014. But before that, he helped scientists unlock some of the mysteries of the human brain. This is really interesting stuff, guys. And if you like this kind of stuff, then make sure to follow for more. Thanks for watching.